Guys, thanks for clicking on Florida Outdoor Adventures again. We're not gonna be very much adventure-y in this video. It's gonna be more of a cruiser video. We're gonna change the rear shocks on a 1997 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. I got my buddy Miguel here, master mechanic from Detroit. Thanks for coming all the way from there. And here's the shocks right here. Progressive suspension. These are gonna be 13-inch heavy-duty springs. I'm a little bit overweight, so these are gonna do the job. Right here, guys. All right, let's do this. Okay, first thing is stabilize the bike and raise it up just a little bit to get the stock shock. They've been on for a long time, 1997. The bottom bolt has a nut in the back that you have to hold with a 3/4 wrench.
See if you can get it out. Watch out, we don't drop the bike.
Yeah, okay, out.
Okay. Wheel is on the ground.
Yep. Okay, look how much easier it is with the jack. You just let the jack do the work and it comes right off. Brand new ones.
Very heavy grades.
Yeah. Okay, so we have I forgot what number is a spacer, and then the sleeve inside the bushing there.
Okay, but oh man, look at that.
Went right in, bro.
Well, there we need a washer, but we do it at the end because we.
Okay, so it sounded like it was going to be a lot of space, but it's just very little difference. Okay, these chrome tops look a little silly, but for now it'll do, right?
Looks better.
Yeah. Tick tick. Okay, here's the final product. 13-inch progressive suspension, heavy-duty springs. I'll give it a ride later on, and I'll let you know how it feels. Hopefully, a lot better than before. And here's the space it gave me. About an inch maybe, or an inch and a half higher stance in the back, which is fine because I'm like 8 feet tall.
I'm 250 pounds.
And 250 pounds of pure fat.